Hello guys, hi from Tom. So today we're having a blast. We're having an opening of 7 blind bags of Flipperz pawpatrol series 2. You get candy, you get a little you get candy, you get one of the toys. There are 5 rare ones that glow in the dark, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 normal ones. So we get 16 pups. We got 7 bags, so well, we got 7. This is the code if somebody needs it. Wait, let me focus. And it's Nickelodeon, and you know, it's Spin Master. Yeah, Spin Master is the supplier, or how else do you say it? So yeah, so we got 7 of them, and we're gonna start opening. Okay, let's see what this first is. This is, if it is anything, let me see. Sorry about tearing everything apart, but you know, so it's nothing, it's just, yeah, nothing. Okay, so let's open it, and let's hope that we get something that, maybe a rare one, who knows, maybe glow in the dark one. Yeah, so it's series 2 with candy. So here's a candy, here's the puppy, here's how they look like, and once more, here they are. Wait. So let's see. Okay, you open it here. No, where do you open it? Sorry. Okay, you open it. Where do you open it? Oh, I'm so confused. How do you open this? Oh, okay. Wait, I need scissors. Wait a minute. So we got scissors now. So let's see. Okay. So we got jelly beans. Yeah. I just can't eat black ones if they have them because I'm allergic to licorice. So we got candy, and let's see how about the toy. Oh, okay, first we get this. Let me open this first. So we do get a checklist. Okay. So we get a checklist, and Sweetie, Everest, Skye, Chase, Marshall, Rubble, Ryder, Robo-Dog, no, Robo-Dog, okay. Rocky, Zuma, Tracker, Rubble, Chase, Skye, Marshall, Everest. Okay, there is 4, 5 glow-in-the-dark ones. So let's see who we get. Let's put this here, and let's see who we get. Ready, guys? Da-da-da-da. We got, wait, do you open them? So we got Chase. Okay, we got Chase. Here he is. And I have to say, they're really heavy. Look. So what do you do with them? You just do this. Wait. Okay, that's what you do. Okay. you throw them and they stay. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we got first one and it's Chase. So guys, let's go for the second one. And here is his candy. Go for the second one. Let's see the candy. Okay, the candy is the same, so I guess it's gonna be the same candy in every one. Let's see who we get. Da-da-da-da. We got... Did we get any glow-in-the-dark ones? Wait. I think we did. We got glow-in-the-dark Skye. So this is her. Wait, I don't know why. So Skye, glow-in-the-dark Skye. So that's her. I don't know, how do we check if she glows in the dark? Maybe I should... Okay, let's put her here. Let's close the light. Let's see if she's gonna glow in the dark. So nothing really happens. I guess it's not dark enough. So it's not dark enough, sorry guys, but we did get glow in the dark one, so that's cool. So we got two. Let's go for the third one. I think the candy will be the same in the single one. Yes, it's the same one. And I think I cut the bag. Yes. Never mind. Let's see who's inside this one. Oh yeah. Okay, I wanted this one. We got Robo-Dog. So we got him, and look at him. Look how cool he looks like. He's very, very heavy. Oh, I love when they do that. Look at this. So we got Robo-Dog. Wait, did I do it with her? I don't think so. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I like it. I love them. Look at them. They're so heavy. Look at these guys. Look. Can you hear? They're full plastic and there's some metal inside, I think. So we got 3 different ones. We got our little candy. Let's see what's gonna be the 4th one. Right? The candy is gonna be the same, and I cut it again. So the candy is the same. And let's see. Ready? Okay, we got... Who is this? We got Tracker. There he is. There he is. Here. So we got Tracker, and he's really cute. Look at him. Look at his little face. I mean, look at his little eyes. He's so cute. Look. He's got this little contraption here. Tracker. I'm gonna find you. So we got a Tracker. Oh, I really like them. Look at him. Okay, let's go for the 5th one. Candy. Same candy. I don't know why it's always this. I mean, they could have put another color, but it's the same candy. Let's go for the paw. Okay, let's see. Did I open it? I don't think so. Okay, let's see. Ta-da-da-da! Ta-da-da-da! We got Marshall. He's a cute pup. Oh, he's a firefighter, I guess. Look at him. Oh, he's a Dalmatian. So, there's Marshall here. And here's Marshall. He's a little Marshall. Oh, they're so cute. Look at him. I mean, how can you not like them? I don't know. And she's a glow-in-the-dark one. She's cute. Did I show you her face? Look. She's actually smiling. And she's looking sideways. She's so cute. What does it say on the back? Wait. Can I read it? No. No. It won't focus, but I think that Tracker and Robot one are my favorites for now. Okay, let's see two more. So, we know what candy is gonna be here, so let's not even try to pretend that there is something else here. Yes. And da-da-da-dun, da-dun, da-da-da-dun, da-dun. Yeah! Oh, yep! Look! We have Rocky. So there's Rocky here. We got little Rocky. Look at his little face. They all have little attachments to their bodies, which is so cool. Rocky. Now let's put him here. So green or red would, you know. Oh, they're so cute. I don't know who's the cutest one. I'm not sure. One more, guys. One more. And I'm not sure if it's gonna be a double or not, but let's see. Okay, candy. You know what candy is. But the only good thing is that there are no black ones. You know, because licorice is really bad for me. My tongue really gets swollen. So now let's see who is here. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, we got a boy. And that's the one boy, Ryder. That's the one human one. Look at him. He's got little cookies for the dogs. He's got a little t-shirt. Let me see. Yep, he's standing. So we got... Okay, so we got all the different ones, guys. And I only have 7. They didn't have more. Okay, we got one glow in the dark, which is really cool. And let me just go closer now. Down. And let us see the favorite one. Which one is the favorite? Okay. This one is really cute. Chase. Little Chase. Little Chase. Marshall. Little Dalmatian. Oh, actually, this is Chase. Oh, I'm stupid. This is Chase, guys. The green one is not Chase, it's Rocky. Yep, it's a Rocky. No, I'm really... So then we have Skye. She's a glow-in-the-dark one, which I'm gonna try to do to see how. The robot one is Robo-Dog, and I really like him. He's so cool, look at it. He should be a special one, I don't know, in my opinion. Then we have a little, what's his name? Did I already forget? Find him. Don't be stupid. No, it's not a Tracker. Is it Tracker? This is Tracker, okay. I'm lost. So this is tracker, okay. It's a tracker, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. He's got a backpack. And then we got a boy. Then we got Ryder, who actually looks like me. Hello, we're gonna open some blind bags. I'm Tom. Well, actually, I'm Ryder, but yeah, you can call me Tom now. He's really cool. He looks so retro. So we got 7 of them, and I'm just gonna say that my favorite is definitely Robo-Dog. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, support the channel if you can, in any form, in any shape, and let's put all the cutouts here and enjoy the view of the little, you know, I think they're just super cute. So they're going to my shelf. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. The next opening will be Barbie career opening, free dolls, and love you guys, and bye bye, and take care, and be happy, and bye bye from Tom, and whatever you want in the world, I hope you get it. Bye. So guys, this is just an update. I wanted to tell you that she does glow in the dark, but I can't record it because, you know, it's like a greenish glow, you know, greenish slimy glow, and yeah, wanted to show her once more. I just tried it in the dark, and as I said, it's not really, you know, worth mentioning, but she is cute, so yeah. Love you, thank you, and talk to you soon. And zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Why can't you zoom in on me? I'm sorry. You're fine. You're fine. Because the light is not on, yeah. So thank you. Bye bye.